Unlocking your potential with Kaizen learning is like embarking on a journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about continuous improvement, paving the way for endless possibilities in your life. Imagine elevating your everyday existence and inching closer to your dreams, one small step at a time. And the best part? No heartaches or pain involved. The first crucial step in this transformative journey is identifying areas in your life that need improvement. It's time for a thorough self-assessment, a deep dive into your strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for growth. By creating a structured improvement plan with clear, focused objectives, you set yourself up for success. But where do you start? Discovering the key areas for improvement is key. Is it your time management skills, your communication abilities, or perhaps your self-confidence that needs a boost? Once you've pinpointed these areas, it's time to prioritize them. By focusing on what matters most, you can make impactful changes that ripple through every aspect of your life. So, are you ready to take the first step on your Kaizen journey? It's time to embrace the power of continuous improvement and unlock the endless possibilities that await. Let's dive in and start shaping a better version of yourself, one small improvement at a time.